Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. Hope you're all well and all that. So anyway, I thought I'd just do a little bit of update on the planes that I'm doing for the German aircraft carrier. Kind of making good progress with them. I must be nuts. So yeah, what I'll do, I will go down to the bench. Let's just get that right. So light's probably a bit strong. That's it. So far, just let me change my glasses. So far, we have the BF 109s. Made 5 of those. All I got to do with these is put the bombs on, but I should do that last after they've been painted. So that's 3, 5. So I've got to be careful how I'm picking these up. Right, so this is the BF 109s, if you can see. And there's a tiny little bit of photo etch. I'm not sure whether you're going to be able to see it. It is right just there, right just there near the rear wheel, the rear landing wheel. It's only a little tiny little thing. It's one of the hooks when it lands and grabs the cable. So they took a little while to get on. So yeah, they're only little tiny pesky things, which are on those. Just don't know whether you can see them in there. You probably won't because they're that small. But yeah, there and there. So these are not the ones for these ones, but they're more or less all the same. They're actually labelled which ones are for which. So that's the BF 109s made. So I don't know how long them hooks are going to stay there. So I've probably got to bend them back up a little bit. I thought I'd put them in that position, and looks as though it's holding the back end of the plane up, so I'll just have to push them up a little bit more. So, because you have to actually bend over the end, so you've got something to glue on. The next we've got the Junker 87s, which are these ones. Now, I've only got 4 of these. I did have 5, but I've seemed to have lost a the leg with the wheel. I've got one. I went to glue one on, and it just completely flicked out of my tweezers. And I've been on my hands and knees trying to look for it, and I just can't find it nowhere. I pulled my workstation out. I moved all the drawers, even this shelving unit that's got all my some of the other builds on, and I just can't find it nowhere. So Mr. Carpet Monster's got that. So that will probably, I might stick that when I put this in the dio, because this is another one that'll go in another dio. I should probably have this one flying. So I should probably, yeah, something like that. And just blank off those holes. I'm not sure whether these were fixed on these. It doesn't look as though there's places where they go on the wings. So yeah, they look as though they're fixed. Or I might not even bother with it. I might just chuck it in the bin, that one. I am ordering some more. So yeah, so that's 4 of those. 4 of the JU87s, 5B BF109Ts. These have also got the hooks on as well. So yeah, so they're done as well. So we'll just put them in there, out the way. Those are ready for the primer. So the next one is the F1 167s, which is these ones. These are biplanes. I've got that far with them, so I've got to put the top wing on and everything else, and the rear wings, undercarriage and stuff like that, propeller and everything else. These ones have got plastic struts coming up, these ones, so I'm quite pleased about that. So I've got no photo etch to bend on them ones. So that's 5 of those. 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's 5 of those. They're half built. Then we have, turn the page, we have the AR 195s, which are these ones. Now these ones have got some photo etch to put on them. They've got the hooks and also the canopy. Canopy hood is in photo etch. So show you one in a packet. So yeah. So you got your canopy there that you have to fold, top piece, 2 down sides, and then you've got these parts here, which are these that hold the 2 wings together. So that's for those. I'm kind of like halfway through them. Just started to stick the rear wings on. Got a couple done. Got 3 more to go, and then start building the rest of them. So yeah, and then there's yeah, that's for these ones, yeah, because there's like 5 different types of planes on here. So that's all those done. Well, not done, they're started. So yeah, but I thought I would do these, get all these out the way, get them all in primer, and then I can get on with the build. Not like I did last time, which was doing kind of like halfway through. So I thought I'd do these and get them out the way. So it's only just a quick little update. I've not done anything else actually on the ship itself. Been concentrating on doing these planes. So it's only a quick update. So yeah, we'll go back up to the camera. Okay, so there we go. So I should do another update when I've got all these completely built. Got them all in primer. So that's when I should do the next update on these ones. So don't forget, tonight at 7 o'clock we have the PPM stream, which is from 7 till 9. And then again on Thursday we have Lindsay's Builds with panel. That is from 7:30 till 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. So yeah. So like I always say, thank you very much to my subscribers, my followers, any new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And if there is anybody else that comes in and watches my channel, if it's got a recommendation of someone or off the internet, like YouTube and everything else, please take a look. And if you like the content, what you see, please like and subscribe and push the notification bell. It's always entertaining, especially on the live feeds, because we do have other people with us. So, yeah. So we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you all later. Bye bye.